Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set to automatically delete files in the flight tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down and at the general settings section, look for the auto delete flight button and click on that. And as you can see, these are the options, so just click on the one that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.